Hello there. Welcome back to Tech Today, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today we have something incredibly exciting to talk about: the AI-powered pin that might just replace our smartphones. Yes, you heard it right. Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Well, imagine having the power of a smartphone condensed into a tiny pin that you can wear on your clothing. It's not just a piece of jewelry, it's a powerhouse of technology. In November 2023, Humane AI thrust the spotlight onto the tech stage with the grand debut of iPin, a screenless wearable that aims to bid farewell to the era of smartphones. This gadget can be hooked onto your clothing and worn all day. Humane was founded by Imran Chowdhury and Bethany Bongiorno, former executives of Apple's design and engineering teams. It has been shrouded in secrecy until a recent demo shed light on its ambitious project. Humane aims for a future where people rely less on screens. They first crossed paths at Apple in 2008 when Chowdhury was developing the human interface for iPhones, and Bongiorno was a program manager for iPhone and iPad. They worked together until leaving Apple in late 2016. Humane had been operating incognito until this revelation, sparking curiosity about iPin's potential to revolutionize computing. Of course, that remains to be seen. The jury is still out on whether iPin is as revolutionary as the iPhone, or if its novelty fails to achieve staying power. Imran Chowdhury, Humane's co-founder, provided insights into the device during a TED Talk titled "The Disappearing Computer and a World Where You Can Take AI Everywhere."
In fact, in 2017, the legendary tech journalist Walt Mossberg wrote in his final column that he felt that soon, one day, technology would become invisible, and that the computer would disappear. And we agree. Sorry, this is my wife. I'm gonna have to get this. Hello?
Hey, babe.
Hey, Bethany. Bill Gates has said of OpenAI's GPT that it's only the second most revolutionary technology demonstration that he's seen in his entire lifetime. In fact, I'm wearing one right now. Let me show you. Where can I find a gift for my wife before I have to leave tomorrow?
The AI Pin is a wearable projector with the ability to capture photos with an ultra-wide RGB camera, send text messages and emails, and answer your most curious questions thanks to its ChatGPT-like capabilities. It operates on AI models from both OpenAI and Microsoft. It takes 13 MP photos and sends texts as well. The accessory is powered by a Snapdragon SoC, but the exact processor is not revealed. Similar to other wearables such as wireless earbuds and smartwatches, the iPin is designed to be a casual, everyday accessory. It weighs 55 grams and requires a magnetic battery pack to stay attached to your shirt. For bulkier clothing options, Humane offers a separate clip-on accessory for sale. The AI Pin is available in 3 colors: Eclipse, Equinox, and Lunar. It weighs 34 grams and features a battery booster accessory, which adds an extra 20 grams. You can easily swap multiple boosters as they magnetically connect to the iPin and wirelessly charge it. The AI Pin provides a central interface for various AI tools, resembling third-party ChatGPT plugins. It automatically selects the most suitable tool, saving time by eliminating the need to manually search and download apps. You need to dictate rather than type text and trade a camera that zooms for wide-angle photos. Features such as object recognition and videos will not be available for you initially. Regardless, iPin is loaded with impressive capabilities that make a compelling case for going screenless. Let's take a look at the futuristic features iPin is packing to take on the smartphone. Instead of a screen, iPin projects onto your palm. Humane touts iPin as an anti-smartphone, where instead of looking down at a screen, you're able to interact with the world around you. But sometimes you need visuals. To compensate for that, iPin is built with a laser ink display that can project onto your palm. you can control the operating system called Cosmos by tilting or rolling your hand forward or backward. Similar to the double tap Apple Watch feature, tapping your index finger and thumb together can pause or play music. Other gestures include tilting your hand forward, back, or down, which all have specific actions. iPin wants to make voice commands more of a thing. Because there's no screen, iPin's core mode of communicating is through audio. Humane is using OpenAI's model to handle search and task handling through voice command, or what it calls a mic. ChatGPT already has a version of this, so it's like using that as your main way of interacting with the device. But with iPin, all of your apps and accounts are linked to the device, so you can use iMic to search for a reservation code in your inbox or dictate messages to people in your contact list. It can tell you food nutrition facts and translate languages in real time. In the promo video, a woman uses iPin's computer vision to look up how much sugar is in a dragon fruit to see whether it meets her dietary goals. The iPin can also purportedly look at a handful of almonds in your palm and tell how much protein it has, but it might not be totally accurate. Humane is starting with this function as a nutrition tool, but says it will expand to more uses in the future. Another one of iPin's touted features is real-time translation. The device can recognize the language being spoken and translate it back to you, or vice versa, with a few simple commands. The AI Pin takes privacy and discretion into account. Unlike other voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, iPin doesn't have a wake word, meaning it isn't passively listening to your conversations. It only turns on when the device owner manually activates it. To address surveillance issues, iPin has a prominent trust light, which turns on when the device is in use. To make sure conversations between you and iPin are private, the device uses a personal speaker that creates a bubble of sound. Now, I know you're all curious about the price tag of this incredible piece of technology. Humane's AI Pin costs $699 for the device and 2 battery boosters. Also, it comes with a $24 per month subscription that gives it a phone number and data coverage through the US carrier T-Mobile. The AI Pin will ship early next year, and pre-orders start on November 16. Humane will begin shipping the pins next year and expects to sell around 100,000 pins. Well, there you have it, the AI-powered pin that might just replace our smartphones. The future of connectivity is evolving, and it's fascinating to witness these technological advancements. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.